Welcome to our exploration of the thought-provoking world of Émile Durkheim, the influential French sociologist who introduced us to the term anomie. As we delve into this concept, which is as relevant today as it was in Durkheim's time, we'll discover its profound implications on society and the individual. Émile Durkheim, one of the founding fathers of sociology, was deeply interested in understanding how societies maintain order and coherence amidst rapid change. His study of anomie was central to this quest. Derived from the Greek nomos, meaning without law, anomie refers to a state of normlessness, where familiar social norms and values break down. For Durkheim, anomie emerges when a society undergoes drastic change, such as during the Industrial Revolution, leading to a disconnect between societal goals and the means available to achieve them. This disconnect breeds alienation, confusion, and a sense of purposelessness among individuals. Durkheim first introduced the concept in his seminal work, The Division of Labor in Society, and expanded on it in Suicide, where he analyzed how shifts in social and economic contexts contribute to rising suicide rates. He observed that during times of great social upheaval, traditional norms are shaken, making individuals feel disconnected from the collective conscience. This disconnection, or anomie, can lead to feelings of isolation and purposelessness, highlighting the challenges societies face in maintaining cohesion during transformative times. Today, the concept of anomie continues to resonate, especially as we navigate rapid technological advancements, economic uncertainties, and globalized cultural shifts. Understanding anomie allows us to grasp the profound impacts of societal change on mental health, social integration, and community resilience. In a world struggling to adapt, Durkheim's insights compel us to critically examine how we can rebuild new norms that promote connection, meaning, and belonging. By fostering communal bonds and ensuring equitable access to resources and opportunities, we can mitigate the effects of anomie. In doing so, we honor Durkheim's legacy and contribute to building a society where individuals not only adapt but thrive. Thank you for joining us in uncovering the timeless relevance of Émile Durkheim's concept of anomie. If you found this exploration engaging, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful discussions on the intersection of society and sociology.